How to fix Filmora freezing issue in your PC? So first of all, you need to open Filmora as an administrator. So you can simply look for Filmora in your system. Right click here and you need to click on run as administrator. The second option is you need to enable hardware acceleration. So for this you need to go to the file option at top in Filmora, and after that you need to click on preferences option. Then you need to click on performance. Herein you can see the first option, enable hardware acceleration for video rendering. Just tap on this and after that you need to click on this OK option at the bottom. Now you need to open task manager. Herein you can select Wondershare Filmora. At the bottom you can see end task. Just press on this end task. Will close the Filmora from your system. You see it is now closed. You can also end task unnecessary processes which you are not using, because multiple processes create this problem. If this problem persists, you can uninstall Filmora from your system and reinstall it once again. You can open control panel and uninstall Filmora from your system. Click on uninstall a program. Select Wondershare Filmora from here and click on uninstall option. After that, open google.com and type in download Filmora and open this official website of filmora.wondershare.net. So make sure to use the official website of Wondershare Filmora only and do not install it from any external website. So after installing it, see whether you are getting same issue or not, and in case you find any problem, you can mention it in the comment section and make sure to give reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.